Good morning. I made it to work just fine, and it's still snowing and snowing and snowing. Weatherman just said it's going to be a record sitter, not babysitter, record sitter. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I didn't have any trouble getting to work. The most trouble was taking a broom and sweeping the car clean so I can see to drive. Isn't that a beautiful tree? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Well, you all kids have fun today. You don't have to go to school. You can go out and build snowmen, go sledding. Hey, wipe my feet off. This is Diggy. Good morning, Diggy. Good morning. Good morning, Diggy. Good morning. Love you. Love you. Oh, you give me a kiss on my hand. You're a good boy. I love you. Love you, Diggy. Oh, you sweet little thing. Oh, oh. Okay, that's all for today. Y'all be careful out there. I love you. Bye.